Hello guys, and at today's video we are going to learn to use a fetch with a very basic request to the Pokemon API. So let's get into it. First we need to write in fetch, and as you can see we are prompted for the URL. So here needs to be URL that we are going to call, and then we use .then, which is going to give us a response in a JSON, but it would return it as a so-called promise. So we need to also use it again as a data. So here we get promise, and bar second then, as we get the response in a JSON format, we're going to write .then data, and here we can do whatever we want with the data. For example, display it at a console, and the last thing is use .catch to catch error. Is something is wrong, we're going to catch it here, and it would return the error. So let's try it. Let's fire up our console and save this script, and as you can see we get the information on Pikachu. And what if we would like to display its name? So it's really simple. We know that it is at a JSON at .forms, and it is at index 0, so 0, and it is the key name. So here we have we map it. So let's save it, and we can see what would return it. And as you can see, it's returning Pikachu as we wanted it to return just the name of the Pokemon, and we are calling for Pikachu. Let's see an error. So let's give some random thing, and let's see what we would get when we get triggered the .catch and show the error. And yeah, Pokemon not found. So let's see it here, and not found. So this was the bad Pokemon. Let's try. Okay, so we catch the error. So let's try for example Charizard. And we get the Charizard's name. And also what we can do, we can dynamically fetch the Pokemon name. So we just use the other, and here should be $sign. It should be these quotes, the other direction quotes as I call them. And here going to specify the Poké name, and we going to use prompt. Awesome. So let's save it. It's going to ask for Pokemon name. Let's use Pikachu or Charmander, and we getting the Pokemon's name from this API, pokeapi.co, and yeah, that's it. This is the one of the easiest ways to call an API and display the data from it. And in another video we are going to dive a little bit deep into it and see how we can use it in a more different way, or how to call different methods. So I hope you like this video. And the last thing I would like to tell you is that we are using this simple method, and we can use the data only in the .then section and not outside this code. So I hope this summarizes it, and see you soon in the next video.